Plan Japan. Logical routes, realistic budgets, zero guesswork. 2 weeks in Japan, the sweet spot for first-timers who want to see it all: Tokyo, Kyoto, Osaka, and Hiroshima, with day trips to Hakone, Nara, and Miyajima. In this video, I'll walk through a complete 14-day itinerary day by day with a full budget breakdown at the end. So here's Plan Japan. I'm setting up a 14-day trip for 2 travelers in US dollars. The planner has flagged a Golden Week warning. Japan's busiest travel period runs from late April through early May, so I'm choosing the 11th of May as the start date to avoid the crowds and inflated prices. I'll set the days to 14 and select our 4 main cities: Tokyo, Kyoto, Osaka, and Hiroshima. Then I'll add 3-day trips: Hakone from Tokyo, famous for its onsen hot springs and the best views of Mount Fuji you'll find on a day trip; Nara from Kyoto, home to hundreds of freely roaming deer and the enormous Todaiji Great Buddha; and Miyajima from Hiroshima, one of Japan's most iconic sites, the floating torii gate that appears to rise from the sea at high tide. Interests are on the defaults: food, history, nature, and shopping. Budget on mid-range. Hit generate. And there it is, 14 days, fully planned. Let's walk through it day by day. Day 1 is arrival day in Tokyo. Sensoji Temple in Asakusa, Japan's oldest temple, best before 8 a.m. to beat the crowds. You can click on any activity name to open it directly in Google Maps. Then Meiji Shrine and Yoyogi Park in Harajuku, and Takashita Street and Omotesando for shopping in the afternoon. Day 2 is our Hakone day trip. Romance car or Odakyu train from Shinjuku, about 1 hour, 25 minutes each way. There's a book button right on the Hakone day header for the Hakone Free Pass. This covers all transport around the area, including the ropeway, the lake ferry, and the scenic train. Mount Fuji views from Lake Ashi, best before 10 a.m. before clouds build. Owakudani Volcanic Valley with the famous black sulfur eggs, Hakone Open Air Museum, and an onsen ryokan experience. You return to Tokyo overnight. Day 3 back in Tokyo. Akihabara Electric Town in the morning for anime, retro games, and electronics. Then Shinjuku in the evening. Omoide Yokocho Yakitori Alley. Golden Gai with over 200 themed bars, and Don Quixote, Japan's 24-hour megastore. Tax-free shopping over 5,000 yen. Bring your passport. Day 4, Tsukiji Outer Market for breakfast from 5 a.m. Then Hamarikyu Gardens, a tidal garden from 1654 surrounded by skyscrapers. Nakameguro Canal Walk, and in the evening, Shibuya Crossing and Shibuya Sky. There's a direct book button for the observation deck, best at dusk or after dark. Day 5 rounds out our Tokyo days. Ueno Park and the Tokyo National Museum, one of the world's largest collections of Japanese art and artifacts. And Ginza in the afternoon, Tokyo's most polished shopping district, home to the Uniqlo and Muji flagships. Day 6. We head to Kyoto on the Shinkansen Tokaido line, 2 hours, 18 minutes. There's a book button on the travel badge for the bullet train. On arrival, we go straight to Fushimi Inari Taisha, the famous thousands of torii gates, free and open 24 hours. Then, Arashiyama Bamboo Grove, visit before 7 a.m. to beat the crowds entirely. Day 7, Nara day trip from Kyoto. Just 45 minutes on the Kintetsu Nara line, and you return to Kyoto overnight. Nara Park and the famous bowing deer. Buy shika senbei, deer crackers for 200 yen, and they'll eat right out of your hand. They're surprisingly pushy. Todaiji Great Buddha Hall, Japan's largest bronze Buddha, Kasuga Taisha Shrine with its 2,000 stone and bronze lanterns, and Naramachi, a beautifully preserved old merchant quarter. Day 8, a full day in Kyoto. Kiyomizu-dera Temple on the wooden stage over a cliff, best at sunrise. Kinkaku-ji, the Golden Pavilion, arrive at opening. Very busy by 10 a.m. And Gion District in the evening to spot Maiko on Hanamikoji Street around 6 p.m. Day 9, we arrive in Osaka, just 28 minutes from Kyoto by Shinkansen. Kuromon Ichiba Market from 8 a.m. Osaka Castle and Nishinomaru Garden. Dotonbori Street Food. Walk in the evening. Takoyaki, okonomiyaki, kushikatsu, and Hozenji Yokocho, a moss-covered stone lantern alley best after dark. Day 10, Shinsekai Neighborhood and Tsutenkaku Tower, Kushikatsu at Daruma, no double-dipping rule, Denden Town for electronics and manga, and Don Quixote Dotonbori with a giant Ferris wheel, open 24 hours. Day 11, our last Osaka day. Namba and Shinsaibashi shopping. Pokemon Cafe Osaka. If you booked ahead, reservations open exactly 31 days in advance at 6 p.m. Japan time and fill within minutes. And Umeda Sky Building Observation Deck, spectacular at dusk. Day 12. Hiroshima, just over an hour by Shinkansen from Osaka. This is one of the most moving days of the whole trip. Peace Memorial Park and Museum. Allow at least 2 hours. Go early before school groups arrive. The museum documents the atomic bombing of 1945 in extraordinary detail. And the Atomic Bomb Dome, adjacent to the park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, left unrepaired as a permanent monument. The planner also includes an Iwakuni day trip, Kintaikyo Bridge, one of Japan's most beautiful wooden bridges built in 1673 with 5 stone arches and a ropeway up to Iwakuni Castle. JR Sanyo Line from Hiroshima, about 50 minutes. Day 13, Miyajima day trip, just 30 minutes by JR Ferry, and the JR Pass covers the crossing. Itsukushima Shrine and the floating Torii Gate. Check tide tables before you go. Mount Misen hike or ropeway for panoramic Seto inland sea views. And Momiji Manju tasting. The iconic maple leaf cakes, the Miyajima souvenir. You return to Hiroshima overnight. Day 14 is departure day. Hiroshima-style okonomiyaki at Okonomimura for a last breakfast. A 7-floor building with over 25 restaurants serving Hiroshima's famous layered noodle style. Orizuru Tower next to the Atomic Bomb Dome with its paper crane installation. And a Hiroshima oyster and lemon food tour. Hiroshima produces 60% of Japan's oysters. Now, the budget. For 2 travelers mid-range, the total comes out at around $6,180. Roughly $3,090 per person for 14 nights across 5 cities, including international flights. Flights are around $900 each return from the U.S. Accommodation, roughly $1,517 for the trip, $758 per person. Intercity transport, around $405 for all your Shinkansen between cities, and a 12% contingency buffer of $662, all broken down clearly. Now, check the JR Pass section. For this specific route, Tokyo, Kyoto, Osaka, and Hiroshima. The planner says individual tickets are cheaper and the math checks out. The main JR Shinkansen legs come to roughly 25,000 yen per person, well below the 14-day pass at 80,000 yen. And the 2 big day trips, Hakone on the Odakyu line and Nara on the Kintetsu line, aren't covered by the JR Pass at all. So for this itinerary, skip the pass and book individual Shinkansen tickets through Smart EX or Klook. So that's a complete 14-day Japan itinerary, Tokyo, Hakone, Kyoto, Nara, Osaka, Hiroshima, and Miyajima, with a full budget breakdown, Google Maps links for every activity, and direct booking links for day passes and the Shinkansen. PlanJapan is completely free. Adjust the days, swap cities, change your budget tier, and regenerate instantly. Try it at planjapan.app. Link in the description. If you want the shorter 7-day or 10-day versions, those videos are up on the channel. Thanks for watching.